Hi, nice having you in class today. We want to look at Fishery Part 2 from where we stopped last class. Objectives: we want to explain method of fishing, we want to describe fishing tools and methods of fish preservation. Now, fishing methods. Now we have two fishing methods. We have partial harvesting and we have total harvesting. Now, what is partial harvesting? This is gradual harvesting of fish. You harvest the fish or fishes gradually. Total harvesting. Here we have pond draining and electrofishing. Now, under this pond draining, you drain the pond completely and then you harvest the fish. Now, electrofishing. Here, you make use of currents to kill the fishes and then you harvest them. Now, fishing tools. Now, these are the tools that we use when we want to harvest or when we want to go for fishing. Now, the first one is hook and line. The second one, we have girts and pots. Now, these girts and pots, make use of them in the holding days. Now, we have impaling. Now, here you make use of spears and harpoons. You can make use of trap also, trawlers. Now, this is just like a big ship where you have a propeller under it. Now, under the trawler, we have a propeller to catch the fish or fishes. Now, we have nets. And we have different types of nets. We have the scoop net, we have the gill net, seine net, cast net, and drag net. All these are the fishing tools, the tools that you use when you want to harvest your fish or fishes. Now, let's look at preservation method. When you are done harvesting, how do you preserve your fish or fishes? Number one, you can sun dry them. You can sun dry them. Now, you can salt them. You can add salt. Okay? Now, the next one is smoking. You can smoke them and then to reduce the water content. Okay? Now, the next one is frying. You can fry and then it's going to preserve them for a while. Canning. You can can them. For example, we have geisha, we have sardine. Now you can can them. Icing and freezing. You can put them into your refrigerator, into your deep freezer. Now irradiation. Now here you make use of heat, enough heat to extract the water and then to preserve the fish. Now you can also roast them. You can steam cook them. Okay, and then finally you can turn them to fish meal, which is actually used for the production of poultry feeds or animal feeds. Now, let's look at examples of some of the fishing tools. Here you have the seine nets. Now, this is the seine net. You can use it as part of the fishing tools. Okay, now this is a scoop net. Now, it's just as if you want to scoop water out, then you can actually harvest your fish or fishes. Now you have the hook and line. Now here you have the high, you have the point where you're going to put the bait. Now most times you make use of headworm as the bait. Here you put it and then you put a rope here and then you have your stick at the other end. And so the fish or fishes will go for the headworm and then this point will hook them and then you can pick them up. Now, all these are the things you need to know under fishery. From last class and today's class, I want to believe you have gained one or two things from here. In your Google Classroom, you have more explanation, and if you have any question on this topic, Fishery 1 and Fishery 2, we'll be glad to have it during your class in Google Classroom. Thank you for paying attention. Have a wonderful day.